Conventional wisdom tells you that the path you're supposed to live looks like this: go to college, get a job, get married, take out a loan for your school, your wedding, a car, furniture, a house, work hard for 30 plus years to pay off all the debt you accumulated, and maybe you'll have enough to retire, and then again, maybe not. The truth is, there is another way to live. You don't have to go the traditional route. After all, you're the one that's in control of your life, and you can do anything you want. Isn't that a freeing thought? At The College Investor, we think most people could happily live on $50,000 per year, provided they have no debt. So we thought it would be a good idea to explore some ways to make $50,000 per year without working. Here we go. Number 1, own 10 rental properties that net you $420 per month each. 10 rental properties that provided you a net income of $420 per month after figuring in things like vacancies, maintenance, repairs, property management, taxes, and insurance would help you bring in $50,400 per year in rental income. Depending on the locations and the types of properties you have, it may take more or less properties for you to reach that $50K per year mark. Number 2, accrue $1,250,000 worth of dividend stocks with a 4% yield. Yeah, this one sounds a little harder, but hear me out. Dividend stocks are great because while these stocks pay dividends, they can also appreciate or depreciate in value. This means that you'll still get to take advantage of compound interest of the value of the stock. Plus, you can reinvest your dividends until you reach your desired amount. And then number 3, invest in a business. It is completely possible for you to build a business in any area you enjoy and then outsource once you get the systems in place. This doesn't happen without a bunch of initial hard work. It's all about front loading. So, which of these 3 ideas are you interested in pursuing to get your $50K in passive income?